Here we are continuing our series with our health tip of the day. The series we're doing right now is called One Little Thang, and we've also got a subtitle on it called Seed a Point Socket. Today we're just going to talk about a concept that will affect our health and well-being, a concept that will help our finances, but just one little concept that I want you to listen to this and then think about yourself. And the concept is the concept of zero. And you say zero. What could that have to do with health in particular? Maybe it could have something to do with saving money or making money, but what would it have to do with health? Well, zero is very, very important. In fact, if I said I've got a number that has two ones in it, and you saw this number, you would say, oh, I understand the value of that number. It has two ones in it, but I wrote this number. That also has two ones in it, but a very, very different number because of those zeros right there. All right, let's come back to zero. When we talk about it from a financial standpoint, where zero is, if you've got this line and this line is zero, if we're above this line, we even use the term, we're in the black. We have a surplus of money. If we're below that line, zero, we spend more than we take in, and we go below that line, we have a deficit. We're in debt. Well, that same concept of zero not only works in nature, works in health, works in finances, works all over the place. I want you to think about it a second. We'll talk about three areas, and then we'll talk about saving money with our green technology products. Let's talk about it from a financial standpoint, which we've pretty much done already. Zero, above it, you got a surplus. Below it, you got a deficit. Let's talk about zero again. 0 Celsius. 0 Celsius, the temperature. Above 0 Celsius, water is water. Below 0 Celsius, water freezes. Something significant happens at zero. Let's talk about it from ideal weight standpoint. If one takes in more calories than they expand in a day, they've got a surplus, which means they're gaining weight. If somebody takes in fewer calories in a day than they expend, then they've got a deficit. They're losing weight. If I take in the same number of calories that I expend in a day, I'm at zero. I don't gain or lose weight. In fact, in health, in nature, it's called homeostasis. It means that our body, that nature, that the ice is trying to get back to a state of equilibrium. So understand the concept of zero, and it'll help you understand your own health and ideal weight. Understand the concept of zero. It'll help you understand how we can save money with our high-tech green technology products, and instead of spending $2 or $3 a bottle on bottled water, have your own alkaline water system. Have a laundry pure system where instead of using the laundry detergent and fabric softener every time that you do a load of laundry, you save money because there's no laundry detergent. We'll talk more about those specifically. But for today, just the concept of zero. Think about zero, how it can affect your health, how it can affect your finances, how it can affect all kinds of areas in your life.